Hello and good morning. This is Dr. Karthik Gunasekaran from the Metromale clinic. We're based in Chennai, Nagar, Thoraipakkam and Porur. We have been functioning only from our Nagar branch from the last 2 months because of all the COVID issues and all that. But good news is we'll be opening soon at Thoraipakkam and Porur from the 8th of June onwards. So you're all welcome to come and see us there. So let's talk about one of the more important questions that people have been asking me, and that has been about the formation of cysts in the scrotum. You know that the scrotum is the bag that houses the testicles, and the reason the scrotum is outside the abdomen is because the temperature of the scrotum is about 2 degrees lesser than the abdominal temperature, and this is mandatory because the sperms need this temperature to actually survive and grow, right? Now, you also see that there are a lot of rugosities, meaning a lot of small curves or folds of skin in the scrotum, and this is important because this helps maintain the balance of the heat. So basically it helps to dissipate the heat, because when the rugosity are stretched, the scrotal surface area increases, and this increased surface area actually helps the body, or rather the scrotum, lose heat so that the testicles remain cold. Now the other thing is, in these places there is also growth of hair. So when these hair follicles or rather the root of the hair gets blocked or trapped, there is an entity known as a cyst or a sebaceous cyst that forms. Now inside the sebaceous cyst you could have a fluid called the sebum. Now the sebum is a very foul smelling fluid which it is kind of akin to a pimple that forms on your face, just that because of the sweat collection in the scrotum it kind of becomes very foul smelling, and the chance of getting infected are also very high. Now also the problem is you can have multiple sebaceous cysts across the scrotum which can actually occupy the entire surface area of the scrotum. So it is a very unsightly appearance, and lots of men are very bothered about the appearance of these scrotal sebaceous cysts. Now my advice to these men are, when these cysts start, or when you see that there is a sudden increase in the number of cysts, or there is a sudden increase in the size of these cysts, please do not wait. Please come and seek treatment, because these cysts can get infected. If they do become infected or they do increase in size, then the surface area of these cysts become very huge and treatment becomes very difficult. In the initial stages, maybe antibiotic creams can all help. But if it does grow to a size where it becomes really big and there are multiple cysts and they kind of cover the entire area of the scrotum, then it becomes mandatory. We need to remove these cysts. So at the Metromale clinic, we offer a laser procedure. We use the Holmiumab laser to gently scoop out these cysts and remove it along with the scrotal skin. So please do come before these cysts grow to a large size and do not let it become unsightly. Hope this answers your questions. Please keep writing to me if you have more. Stay safe. Please wear a mask. See you later.